Welcome to the latest climate podcast. Here are today's top climate news stories. In the Kashmir region of Central Asia, an astronaut aboard the International Space Station captured a stunning image of three glaciers merging in the Karakoram mountain range. Unlike many glaciers worldwide that are shrinking due to climate change, these glaciers, including the impressive Siachen, are gaining volume, a phenomenon known as the Karakoram anomaly. Scientists are intrigued by this unexpected growth, which may be influenced by local weather patterns or the insulating properties of dust in the ice. This area, known as Earth's highest battleground, is also a site of military conflict between India and Pakistan.
In July 2025, devastating flash floods struck countries like India, Pakistan, Nepal, and the United States, highlighting the urgent need for better early warning systems. In India, heavy monsoon rains caused widespread destruction, while Pakistan faced a state of emergency due to severe flooding. Nepal experienced glacial lake outburst floods, signaling an alarming increase in such events. In Texas, flash floods tragically claimed over 100 lives. Despite advance warnings, the World Meteorological Organization is enhancing technology and training to improve flood forecasting and response. As climate change intensifies, proactive measures are essential to protect communities from future disasters.
The United Kingdom has officially approved the £38 billion Sizewell C nuclear power plant in Suffolk, marking a significant step towards clean energy. This project will be funded by a collaboration of investors, including Canadian pension fund La Caisse, UK energy firm Centrica, and Amber Infrastructure, with the UK government holding the largest share at 44.9%. Energy Secretary Ed Miliband emphasized that this investment will provide sustainable power for millions of homes, helping to reduce reliance on global fossil fuel markets and lower energy bills. This exciting development promises a brighter, greener future for the UK.
Vanuatu is taking a bold step in the fight against climate change by leading a significant global climate case. This initiative highlights the urgent need to address the impacts of climate change, such as dying coral reefs and rising sea levels that threaten communities. Vanuatu's actions aim to raise awareness and inspire other nations to take similar measures. By standing up for vulnerable nations, Vanuatu is not only advocating for its own future, but also setting an example for global cooperation in tackling climate challenges. This positive movement shows that collective action can make a difference in preserving our planet.
The Pacific island nation of Vanuatu has made history as the International Court of Justice prepares to offer its first advisory opinion on climate change. This landmark decision aims to clarify nations' responsibilities in preventing climate harm and compensating for damage caused by greenhouse gas emissions. Cynthia Honiuhi, a law student from Vanuatu, highlights the urgent need for accountability, especially for vulnerable communities facing rising sea levels and extreme weather. With support from 132 countries, this initiative represents a significant global effort to address climate injustice. Vanuatu's Minister for Climate Change Adaptation is hopeful that the outcome will strengthen international climate obligations.
In Washington, D.C., activists gathered to honor 27 children who died in a Texas flood, demanding action on climate change. They protested against government cuts that weakened weather warning systems, attributing the tragedy to preventable decisions by officials. Flash floods in Texas claimed at least 135 lives, highlighting the need for better emergency response. Activists called for increased funding for agencies like the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. They emphasized the importance of accountability and transitioning to clean energy to prevent future disasters, ending their protest with a powerful chant, for change and resilience.
Canada's food industry faces significant challenges due to climate change and a declining population. While farmers and distributors have adapted to extreme weather and shifting growing seasons, a new concern is emerging: depopulation. With over 60 countries, including Japan and Italy, experiencing population decline, the food sector must rethink its strategies. Instead of focusing solely on calorie production, the industry needs to prioritize nutrition and quality. In Canada, food insecurity is rising, affecting health and diet quality. To thrive, the food sector must innovate and adapt to these demographic shifts, ensuring a resilient and nutritious food system for the future.
Canada is making strides in climate adaptation with the opening of Battleground Park in Toronto's Portlands, a remarkable achievement after 18 years of development. This innovative park, part of a $1.5 billion flood protection project, transforms the area by restoring ecological and indigenous history while addressing climate change challenges. The park features engineered marshes to mitigate flooding and offers a space for community and nature to thrive. Excitingly, the second phase of the park will open next year, further enhancing Toronto's waterfront and showcasing how ambitious public works can positively impact urban environments in a changing climate.
India has welcomed the launch of the MG-M9 Electric, a premium multi-purpose vehicle priced at Rs 69.90 lakh. This innovative model features a powerful 90 kilowatt-hour battery, delivering 245 bhp and a remarkable range of 500 kilometers on a single charge. The MG-M9 boasts a stylish design, complete with LED lighting and spacious seating for up to 7 people. While the vehicle has received mixed reactions online, with some praising its features and others suggesting improvements, its advanced technology, including a 12.23-inch touchscreen and 3-zone climate control, is sure to attract interest in the electric vehicle market.
In the United States, significant climate change data has been lost under the Trump administration, which dismissed 400 experts and erased the national climate assessments, crucial reports that informed the public and policymakers about climate threats. Experts like Gretchen Gerke highlight that this loss is unprecedented and makes it harder to address climate issues. Funding cuts to research programs and the removal of vital data have raised concerns about a campaign to obscure climate science. This shift represents a new form of climate denial, focusing on erasing information rather than debating its validity, which poses challenges for future climate policy.
In the United Kingdom, BP has appointed Albert Manifold as its new chair, signaling a shift back to fossil fuels after abandoning its net zero strategy. Manifold, previously the chief executive of CRH, will officially take over on October 1st. This change comes amid growing investor dissatisfaction and a decline in BP's share price. The company has been scaling back its green initiatives, including selling its onshore wind business in the United States. Manifold expressed excitement about leading BP and helping it reach its potential as the company focuses on simplifying its operations and returning to oil.
For more climate news, make sure to download the Change Your Climate app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Please note, these stories were AI-generated from real news sources, which isn't always perfect. If you have any concerns or questions about the news contained in this podcast, please reach out to us. Thank you and see you tomorrow.